Welcome to a world where giggles turn into music and snacks become instruments. In this cozy nursery, our little stars are about to discover something extraordinary. Look, a shiny red package appears. What could it be? It's a Kit Kat bar, and oh my, listen to that crisp sound as it breaks. The babies are fascinated. They're breaking the Kit Kats in rhythm. Now they're swaying to the beat. It's a Kit Kat dance party. More Kit Kats are appearing everywhere. The nursery is turning into a candy wonderland. Our tiny dancers are creating a symphony of sweet sounds and moves. They're exploring every corner of this magical Kit Kat playground. What a spectacular show. Who knew Kit Kats could be so musical? As the last Kit Kat breaks, our little stars take a bow. Bravo, babies!